Kind of excited about today. We're going to see a lot of sunshine. Temperatures are going to be warmer, not particularly warm, but warmer than yesterday. We never made it about 34 degrees yesterday. It's just remarkable. Of course, we had the snow as well. Today, the wind will be lighter, so it's going to be one of those days that actually kind of feels warmer than the temperature. Looking right now, Storm Track Live radar, essentially dry throughout the state. There's generally an area of high pressure right smack dab over us. Now, off to the northwest of us, it's kind of surprising. The area of low pressure that's going to impact our weather is still west of the Dakotas, and that's just going to race in this evening, and we'll first start to see some of the high clouds later on this afternoon. Now, temperatures are cold. With the clear skies last night and the calm wind in many areas, temperatures had no problem falling off quite a bit. As a matter of fact, we're at 17 in Big Rapids right now, 21 in Grand Rapids, 25 in the Kalamazoo location. And the wind fairly light, which is certainly good. It's actually calm up to the north, and because of that light wind, a lot of us not having to deal with much of a wind chill this morning. Now, what we're going to have to deal with is the wintry mix heading in our direction. But note today, really, the vast majority of the daylight hours today will be just beautiful. Towards the tail end of the day, when you're coming home or heading home from work, you'll notice some clouds moving in, and that's going to be out ahead of this precipitation. I say precipitation because it's going to move in as a mix. I think everybody initially will see a mix develop. Now, once you're south of Grand Rapids, that mix quickly will change over to rain. Now, we're going to be right at the dividing line of sleet and some rain and some snow around I-96. And as you head further to the north, it's going to be mostly snow. And that's where we're expecting a little more in the way of an accumulation. Now, 6 o'clock on Wednesday morning, if you're up or north of US 131, we'll say M57, M46, M20, there's going to be some slippery areas, no doubt about it. Here's the good news tomorrow. A lot of this is going to change over to rain fairly quickly during the morning hours, and we'll get a fair amount of rain. It's anywhere from a half an inch to an inch of rain. We could even see a thunder shower right along the Michigan-Indiana state line late in the day. But it's the potential more snow that kind of sticks out in this forecast. In Grand Rapids, yeah, we could see an inch, probably a little bit less than that, though. I think the more prominent snow is going to be to the northeast of Grand Rapids, up towards Mount Pleasant, and also around the Elma area and Big Rapids, where they could see 4 inches, maybe a little bit more than that. Because of all this, winter weather advisory, 10 p.m. this evening, right on through 2 o'clock on Wednesday for Ottawa, Kent, Ionia counties to the north. Here's the 8-day forecast, and every single day, with exception of today during the daylight hours, we have a chance of precipitation. A lot of the time, it's going to be snow. Tomorrow, it's going to be generally mostly rain, and then cold enough on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We'll have some snow showers. We could even see more accumulating snow on Friday, depending where that next clipper goes. So what an amazing start to the first week of April.
There really isn't much else to say. It's just I'm running out of words.
I know. It looks like about after the 20th, we'll start to warm things up.
The 20th?
Yeah, somewhere right around
there.
It's the 5th. I know.
Okay. That's more than 2
I'm
weeks
looking
away.
for positive.
I know. No, you're fine.